It's a beautiful holiday. Almost the whole world is on holiday towards the end of the year. We occupy ourselves with that which is beautiful, with that which is meaningful, with that which there's no harm in getting together as a family and having a meal together because it's a holiday. Because those who work won't get an opportunity during other times. I know someone told me, well, it's Christmas Day, it's haram to get together. It depends what you're getting together for. I'm getting together because everyone's available on this day, and innamal a'malu binniyat. All your actions are judged by their intention. So what if it's Christmas or not Christmas? No matter what it is. The fact that it's a holiday is a holiday. So we need to make sure that we educate ourselves, we respect everyone else, and we know a little bit of the history of what's happening and so on. I was very interested to learn about Christmas and the fact that even the Christians don't really believe in Christmas, all of them. A lot of them argue and debate amongst each other as to what exactly it is, whether it's just a big, huge commercial stunt or not, whether it actually has significance, and it's okay. I'm not in that debate, because all I need to do is to ensure that, look, we respect those who differ, and we have the right to differ, and that doesn't mean that we're spreading any hate or disrespect, and at the same time, we will occupy ourselves with that which is constructive and good, even if it means just enjoying a holiday. I'm just having a break. Speaking about social media, even if you have a business, not necessarily the da'wah per se, even if you have a business and you want to promote your products, there's no harm in using social media for as long as you're not lying about them products. Because I purchased a few dodgy things from TikTok. Trust me. They get us to click saying that the brightest light on earth. I purchased 2 of them. They delivered them, mashallah. I paid for them an arm and a leg. And when they came, I turned the thing on and it barely shines down my corridor. And then what do? You say, well, you just got to say tick and talk. It works twice. That's it. So we got to be careful. When you're promoting your product, just be truthful about it and Allah will give you barakah, inshallah.